remember. It was long ago. 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 He would ring the bell. We could hear it chime through air, it chime through air, it chime through air, it chime through air. Ring in the season. But the Yule Bell was for the kingdom. What about us? After the gates were closed. I remember the way that I felt back then. We would ring.
Oh my God!
In the season.
To pay our respects to a troll so renowned, How crazy is that? Remembrance of the friend we had, a job.
We were never together. Elsa? I'm sorry, Anna. Fault we don't have a family tradition. Wait, Elsa? Elsa, wait.
No, I'm just trying to protect you.
You don't... Protect me, I'm not afraid. Please don't shut me out again. Please don't slam the door. You don't have to keep your distance anymore. Because for the first...
Who's next?
Elsa, you're up.
Come on, tastes like lichen. You're a princess, you don't have to settle. Okay, not so much a royal act here. Thanks for sharing what you do at that time of... How crazy is that? The old soul we called phlegm and grass. Tempo. We all dig deep down and we uproot down and we uproot down and we uproot down and we uproot down.
¡La encontré!
I will be right here. Anna.
Yes, I'm alone, but I'm alone now.
We shove up its nostrils, a fistful of grass. How crazy is that? We sheep his likeness, bless his soul.
¡La encontré!
I finally understand. For the stand. Here, 'cause for the first time in forever.